The Huawei Pura X, launched on March 20, 2025, introduces a novel approach to foldable smartphones with its unique horizontal clamshell design. Unlike traditional vertical foldables, the Pura X unfolds sideways to reveal a 6.3-inch LTPO2 OLED display boasting a 16:10 aspect ratio, offering a wider and more immersive viewing experience. Powered by HarmonyOS 5.0 and equipped with Huawei's proprietary Pangu AI model, the device features advanced functionalities such as eye-tracking navigation and a voice assistant enhanced by DeepSeek technology. Under the hood, the Pura X is driven by the Kirin 9020 chipset, complemented by up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage. The triple camera system includes a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40MP ultra-wide camera. Additional features encompass a 4,720 mAh battery with 66W wired and 40W wireless charging capabilities, IPX8 water resistance, and satellite connectivity exclusive to Chinese satellites. The Pura X is available in various colors, including Moon Shadow Gray, Magic Night Black, Stylish Red, Stylish Green, and Zero White, with a collector's edition offering exclusive designs and enhanced features. Priced starting at approximately €960, the Huawei Pura X stands as a testament to Huawei's innovative strides in the foldable smartphone market.